Good morning, children. Now, in first part we saw that how nicely he handled the problem of India and Pakistan at border. So, next problem was that revolution in a village in Gujarat. And what is that revolution? In the form of milk cooperative. Milk problem. It was led by Mr. Varghese Kuren, who was then the general manager of Amul. Children, you know that Amul Doodh, Amul cheese, Amul butter, we all are knowing about Amul. So, Shastri ji handled this problem also. And how he handled? Who was then the Mr. Kuren was the general manager of Amul. Shastri visited the village on 31st October 1964. He personally went that village and he handled that problem. As he was eager to understand the success of the cooperative, he spent an entire night with the farmer in the village. And he wanted to solve that problem and meet that villagers. So he went Gujarat and met that villagers at night, and he successfully done that work of the cooperative society. We know that. So he solved this milk problem, and keeping with his simple nature, he even had dinner with a farmer. One prime minister, great person, dinner with the farmer in a small village. Shastri requested Mr. Kuren to replicate his work in other part of India and ensure him full support. And he requested Mr. Kuren, Varghese Kuren, to go each and every village to encourage farmer about milk cooperative society. And this tricked means repeats response, the White Revolution, also called Operation Flood, which greatly increased milk production throughout India, and only because of the thrice effort of Shastri ji, everywhere that milk production increased throughout the India, and he gave that name White Revolution. And from that time that milk production increased, जो दूध का जो प्रोडक्शन था वो दिन पर दिन बढ़ने लगा. The next major challenge. There were so many challenges after independence of India, and Shastri ji handled that challenges very cleverly. The next major challenge was the food crisis. Why? क्योंकि अंग्रेज यहाँ से सब कुछ लूट कर ले गए थे और इसीलिए यहाँ पर हर बात की कमी थी. So there was a food crisis also. India was facing a severe food crisis, drought in 1965, and was looking up to the USA for food assistance. And our condition was very bad about food production, and we were looking, India was looking to the USA for the food. मीन्स वहाँ से जो अनाज है वो लाने के लिए, जिसे आयात कहते हैं हम लोग, लाना वहाँ से बाहर से मंगवाना, उसके लिए इंडिया दिख रहा था USA के तरफ. Again Shastri ji handled the challenge upfront. He created large team of agriculture scientists and idealist M.S. Swaminathan, a pioneer in agriculture research, to the head the teams. And he again organized one association, means agriculture scientist, जो कृषि के वैज्ञानिक थे. So he talked with them. M.S. Swaminathan, a pioneer in agriculture research, बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध इंसान थे M.S. Swaminathan. He talked about the food. And Shastri ji himself motivated a farmer by his high slogan. Children, we know that slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. First time, Shastri ji encouraged each and every farmer by this slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, and it is a very famous slogan. So Shastri ji personally that made or discussed with that farmers and to increase the production of food. This strict Green Revolution, which made India self-sufficient in food production within a decade, means within 1 or 2 years that India was self-dependent about food. How? Because of the efforts of Shastri ji. So this also he made success. He successfully had done these things. The next major challenges. When he became Prime Minister, there were so many challenges, children. And the next major challenge for Shastri was to tackle the corruption in administration. There was so much corruption in administration. ये करप्शन तो हम आज भी देखते हैं, बट ही हैंडल्ड दैट करप्शन एंड बाय हार्ड वर्क एंड ऑस्टेरिटी ही मोटिवेटेड हिज हाई लेवल टीम टू वर्क टुवर्ड्स करप्शन. इस करप्शन को दूर करने के लिए ही मोटिवेटेड द हाई लेवल टीम. जो टीम काम कर रही थी, उन्होंने एक टीम बनाई और उस टीम को वो मोटिवेट करते थे ये करप्शन पूरा खत्म करने के लिए. He also set up a committee to look into ways of arresting corruption, established department to deal with it. And he also set up a committee to look into the way of arresting corruptors. ये जो करप्शन करने वाले हैं उनको अरेस्ट करने के लिए उन्होंने एक और कमेटी बनाई. एंड thus he was dealing with the corruption. A tiny tidy figure, जिसे कहते हैं मूर्ति लहान कीर्ति महान. तो tiny tidy figure, a soul that had lived in perfect purity of thought. His thought was so much pure, children. And word and the very embodiment of selflessness. He was a selfless person. बहुत ही निस्वार्थ भाव से उन्होंने अपने देश की रक्षा भी की है और अपने देश की सेवा भी की है. डिटैचमेंट एंड सिंप्लिसिटी. He was one of the great example of simplicity and devotee. So such was this who had lived in our midst. So he is living in us. हमारे बीच वो आज भी जिंदा है. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री belongs to the race of the greatest heroes of India, and he is belonging to the race of greatest hero. महान जो हमारे हीरो है, नेशनल लीडर्स है, उनमें उनका स्थान हमने हमारे दिल में बैठा कर रखा है. सो जस्ट लाइक ही वॉज अ बेकन ऑफ सिंप्लिसिटी, बिकॉज ही वॉज लिविंग वेरी सिंपल लाइफ, बट ही इज थिंकिंग सिंपल लिविंग, हाई थिंकिंग. इट इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिंपल लिविंग एंड हाई थिंकिंग.